I got thoughts that creep in every day, things that go bump in the night, but you say I'm beside you. All my doubtful designs caving in, but you saw me out on a ledge and you said I'm beside you. I'm beside you.
Kakilala kami ni Camille sa coffee shop sa Taguig, BGC. Magkatrabaho kami ni Camille. Then, nagustuhan ko siya, tapos niligawan ko siya.
I'm not going anywhere.
Actually, nakita ko yung katangian ng isang babae na sobrang sipag, hindi niya papabaya yung trabaho, mga responsibility.
And I was wild and you pulled me beside you. And I had fire on my heels, on my back.
Camille, thank you sa pagmamahal sa akin, sa pag-aalaga, at sa pag-iintindi. Mahal na mahal kita sobra.
I'm beside you.
Nangangako ko nga magiging mabuting asawa habang buhay.
I'm not going.
If I knew then what I know now, I wouldn't have doubted you. I wish I could tell my younger self just to have faith. There's so many mountains you have moved, valleys you have led me through, and it's only by your grace I'm standing here today. I'm a witness to your faithfulness in every storm, in every step. Looking back, never once did you let me go. And no matter what the future holds, you're working for my good. I know you're faithful, and I never walk alone. My life is full of miracles, the stories that I could tell. All that you've healed, all that you've done, I can't forget. So even if my life doesn't go the way I planned or how